Hello everyone, my name is Salar and this is Salar 3D Studio channel. This lecture is about how to simulate a plate with a hole which is subjected to pressure with an encaster geometry on the bottom. So if you're interested in this video, I highly recommend you to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel for more lectures. And let's see how I do the simulation, which actually you are seeing the result at this moment. Thank you. Okay, let's start with creating the geometry plate with hole rate, which is actually a 3D deformable solid and extrusion type. Please note that I'm using random dimensions, but you could do it based on your preference and your problem. Okay, we also have a circle for a hole here. Great. I think 3 is good. Great. Okay, let's move to the property module. Create an steel material using an elasticity modulus and the Poisson ratio. Okay, let's create the section. Great, and assign the section. Great. Let's move to the assembly. So we are going to use an static general step for this simulation and stick to the default attributes of this solver, but you know how and you have the ability to choose the proper attributes based on your preference. I have taught you about this on the previous videos, and some exact videos will be uploaded as the fundamentals of Abaqus as soon as possible, so you can understand each of these values and know how to choose them properly. Okay, we have no interactions. Let's move to the load module. As you already know, we have a encaster face on the bottom side. Okay, and we have a pressure on the upper face minus 25. That's 4. We also need to create a tabular or equally spaced amplitude rate. Okay, great. Let's move to the mesh. As you already know, and I will put the link to the caption so you could use this to know how to apply a proper mesh and know how to create partitions or things like that. So in this lecture, I'm not going to talk about not about why I'm using this type of mesh and why I'm doing mesh in this style. So you could see the video in the link so you could understand why I'm doing this. Okay, let's create datum planes, YZ plane, great, and MXZ plane. Okay, let's select this datum plane. Good, and select both of these bars and the datum plane. Great. I'm going to use structured type of mesh, and also trying this amount of seeds. Let's see what's our mesh. Great. It's a good mesh. It's not a great mesh, but it's actually good for the simulation. Okay, let's create our job, and I will back with the results after I start and the simulation has finished. Okay. Great. Okay, the simulation is finished. Let's see the result. Okay. Here is the result, and you could see the link in the caption to how to have a better visualization at this stage of your simulation. I hope you use this tutorial through your researches or your industrial projects. So as always, do not forget to subscribe to the channel for new videos, and also share your thoughts on the comments below. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.